So I checked out 2 Aldi stores today, and unfortunately the smaller store did not have any Aldi yarn in for the special buys. So we checked out the bigger store. Unfortunately, the bigger store only had a very, very small selection. We got there about an hour after we would have expected the yarn to be available, and unfortunately we had just baby yarn, a small amount of DK and Aran. There was also a couple of the ombres, just 2 of the colours, the pink option and another one, and there wasn't really much there at all. Unfortunately, after speaking to a member of staff, it appears that some of the stock is delayed. So unfortunately, we're going to have to wait to see some of the other lovely Aldi yarns that are normally available on the special buy date. So we'll be looking forward to seeing those. Unfortunately, today was a bit of an anticlimax because sadly, not the yarns I was hoping to see. I was really hoping to see that gorgeous glitter yarn. I'd love to hear from you if you've actually seen the glitter yarn, if it's been available in the Aldi near you. But the Aldi in Sheldon and the Aldis in Canterbury do not, unfortunately, have the whole selection yet. See you on the next video.